Alright, I got the water shut off. I got it drained here outside, so I can work on it in the basement. It's off. So you did try to fix it, but you couldn't.
So I took the whole thing apart. Actually, I think I lost a piece of it.
Yeah, don't worry, we'll just replace the whole thing.
Yeah.
It's got compression nuts on it, so we should be able to, hopefully, use the same nuts. Maybe.
Can you, yeah, my Bob actually put that in, he said a long
Who did?
time ago. Bob, my husband.
Oh, he did?
Yeah, he did, yeah.
How come he didn't try fixing it?
Oh, because he's not here. He said, I'll try it. I was here with the electrician. Yeah, we had the power from the street. Some problem with the wires.
Oh, really? Well, you have a bad neutral or something?
Yes, I don't understand. It was
Powerful. Yeah, it might have a bad neutral.
Yeah, so we checked it all out, and yeah.
Did he fix it?
Yeah, the
Wow.
the gas company. Yeah, I mean the electric company.
Oh yeah, it was probably sometimes it's a neutral issue. Sometimes. Yeah, you don't want to play around with that, right?
Oh, I know. Yeah, with the power going on and off in the house.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Wow.
So that wasn't too good.
Don't sound good.
No.
Alright, hopefully we can just swap it out. Yeah, this is like made in China.
Oh, that's why. Okay.
That's what Trump says, made in China.
Yep. I hope you voted.
I did vote.
Good. Good.
Why not?
You gotta.
I usually don't, whoever I vote for, I usually don't get in, but whatever, I still vote.
Yeah. What are you talking about? I gotta save this country. It's on a pot right now. Oh, good. I like that. I like those.
Huh?
I like these. Yeah.
Like what?
These right here.
Yeah, ball valve.
The ball valve. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll put that. Hopefully.
So those are compression
Should be the
balls?
same. Yeah, it's the same thing. Hopefully. We'll find out. If not, I gotta cut it all out and I'll do what I gotta do.
Alright. Oh, my pedestal sink upstairs is working great.
Oh yeah?
Yep. Yep, you did a good job on that.
Well, it's like the worst nightmare for a plumber is on pedestals.
I know.
They look pretty, but that's about it.
Yeah. Working on this.
Yep. They look pretty. Yeah, this is a ball valve. This is better because once you shut it, it's a compression type in the valve. It's the same.
Okay.
So this goes to an outside shower or something?
Yes. So that's the shut off to the outside cold water, and then
Okay.
when we shut it off in the
You have to winterize it, right?
We winterize it.
Yeah.
We shut everything, and it drains back into here.
Okay.
And so it wasn't. This was 2 weeks ago. I did it, and I came here.
Why don't you go outside and shut that faucet off that we opened?
Yeah, I did. Actually, I shut it off here because that's I winterize it. So I shut it off here and left it open. Out
Okay,
there.
so
Yeah.
that is okay.
That is okay.
All right.
That's
So you need a
okay.
new button
Yeah.
for this. You can buy
is
this
that what
button,
it is?
yeah,
Oh, okay.
because
all
I
right.
put the two wires together and it gongs.
It does. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
right.
All right. So I
So
can try to go down
yeah,
to Ace or something.
Ace or something, yeah, you can buy that.
Yep. Okay. All right.
You want me to take that out of there?
I think it just pops out.
It
Or is
should be able to just pop right out, yeah.
Oh, it should be right.
It was kind of decrepit, that's what
Oh,
originally
okay.
happened, because,
Gotcha.
She's got a couple of screws loose.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah. How do you do that?
you gotta lift that rim off.
It's that one outside, and that's open, but I shut it off over here.
Yeah, we talked about this being a tighten up the pack and it should stop leaking.
Yeah, there's a massive amount of corrosion on this on the bottom. Look at it. That's all. Phase coming off the street.
All right, so that will work.
Okay.
And you got it open here. You got them both drained.
Yeah,
They're open to drain.
They're
Yeah.
open to drain. Yeah.
All right. And this one here. This one here you wouldn't open yet. How come?
Oh, I don't know.
You gotta do 2 of them, madam.
Oh yeah, I guess we forgot to do that.
You gotta do them both.
Both.
So that's hot and cold, okay?
Yeah, the hot shut-off is up here, so that's holding, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So okay, so let's make sure.
Hopefully that one's
'Cause
holding.
that's the hot shut-off to outside.
You gotta make sure that's off good.
Off, okay. Make sure that.
Want me to just leave the wires, or just leave this off, and you can
Yeah,
do
you
this
know, we're
today?
gonna run down to True Value.
All right,
a little
yeah.
bit. Might as well just take care of it.
I would get a brass button.
Do they have them?
Yeah, that would. Yeah, that's kind of like, I don't know what that metal is, but I would get brass.
Okay, all right.
It would blend in better with this. That's probably what came with it, right?
Yes, it came with it. Yeah. All right. Yeah.
Because this looks all. Yeah. This is brass in it. This all got to it. You can see it.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just gonna put that back up there. I'll leave it there, right where it is. Sure you
Okay.
can handle this?
Yeah, I think so.
Now when you put the
Yeah.
screws on, you got that little half hook goes clockwise. Clockwise when you go to, because if you try to turn it on this side, these are the screws.
It's got a fucking plumbing and all kinds of shit out here. Supposedly this drains all back, but I don't know. It's got it open, I guess. Yeah, I guess it stopped.